Welcome to HingeWorks. So why do appliances take so long sometimes to get to you and get installed, or why are there delays? Let's talk real briefly, besides the obvious, such as on whether or not the appliances are stocked, or if they're custom order, if they're having to be made in the factory at the time that you place the order because they're a rarely used item. That's pretty obvious. Certainly you have transit delays that can cause problems when it comes to weather delays or other things getting the product from a warehouse to our location. And then of course, local delivery and availability for the team to get out there and get the work done. But there are a couple of other things on your side that as a builder that you can, or home builder, owner builder, that you can be aware of or consider or plan for. And that has to do with other trades and whether or not the spaces are ready. Making sure that the electrical is in the right locations and the plumbing of course as well. First of all, that it's there and that it's ready to be hooked up. Also that the space is planned for, that there's proper places for any appliances that need to be attached, such as the sides of the dishwashers to the cabinet. A fridge might need to have, if it's a built-in fridge, an anchor blocking to keep it from tipping, things like that. Making sure that they fit, double checking the openings, your inserts for like the wood hoods, making sure that they're prepared to receive the insert. And that everything's there to attach it to. So, and then of course the other trades are not in the way. The countertops aren't in yet. You might be careful with your range tops and of course your dishwashers. So you want to make sure that you have pretty much everything else done and ready for the appliances to come in. So we hope that at HingeWorks, if you have a project that's coming up that you want to talk about, give us a shout. Let's see if we can be some help. Thanks.